In a rapidly changing manufacturing landscape, innovation is the driving force. To stay ahead, adapting to industry shifts is crucial, as quality increasingly outweighs quantity. To help meet this quest for excellence, we at CMC Engineering Export GmbH are committed to drive innovation and efficiency, bringing the latest technology to enhance manufacturing quality and reduce costs. As a member of the Melchers Group, we import top-tier technical products from Europe and Asia, catering to a broad range of industries. CMC Engineering Export GmbH is dedicated to empowering clients with innovative solutions tailored to drive efficiency and success. Our offerings include cutting-edge food processing machinery customized to client needs, versatile packaging machinery, plastic processing solutions, bottling plants with advanced technology, industrial coding and marking solutions, machine tools and automation solutions, offset printing blankets and industry consumables, advanced industrial kitchen equipment, lab equipment and personal protective equipment, agricultural and pharmaceutical machinery with advanced technology, and high-quality, regulatory-approved cleaning and sanitizing chemicals. Beyond providing exceptional products, we ensure clients have comprehensive support for a seamless experience. Our round-the-clock repair and maintenance assistance, expert emergency guidance, and knowledgeable consulting services are designed to optimize operations. We also conduct live demonstrations for better use of the equipment and provide warehousing and delivery services to our clients. Quality is central to our operations at CMC Engineering. In order to achieve this, we maintain high-quality standards in inventory and stock management, follow strict compliance policies in hygiene and safety, ensuring a readily available supply of spare parts for seamless client repairs. Supported by a team of locally and internationally trained engineers and technical experts, our dedicated customer service and technical support teams work tirelessly to minimize downtime. Our team is the true force behind our success. Their dedication and commitment have positioned us as a trusted, quality-driven partner for manufacturing companies. At CMC Engineering Export GmbH, we grow stronger with each step, driven by a vision to empower the success of our stakeholders. Guided by values that have earned trust for centuries, we remain committed to delivering quality, service, and results that create enduring value for everyone we serve. CMC Engineering Export GmbH. Our business is to make your business a success.